Hello, good morning. This is 11 in the morning. I'm in Auckland. You can see this is my neighborhood. I'll show you what the house looks like in New Zealand, Auckland. Now, basically, this is winter, so the sky is cloudy. In winter, it often rains here, so it's not that blue. Anyway, so this is my house. You can see that is the garage. This is the front side of the house, and that is the backyard. I'll go there later. And that is another house, another neighborhood. So let me touch it and give the password. So this is open. Now I change my shoes and get in. This is another shoe rack. So this is basically the garage I showed you from outside. They store a lot of things here. And this is the drawing room. You can make barbecue there, so you can also make fire. This is the kitchen. It's pretty big. This is oven. We have one more oven inside here. Some rice cookers and other things. My bowls are there. Coffee machines. We got 2 coffee machines here. That is a thing to make barbecue. Yesterday we made a barbecue here, and there is another stove here. When we cook some oily food, we do stir fry, then we use this one. But this is the backyard of the house. Yeah, so I before I just showed from there. This is the backyard of the house. Yeah, and I get inside again. There are 2 bedrooms there, and we can also store things here, like, yeah, this is my bedroom, and I keep clothes here. Yeah, it's not well managed, but yeah, I can hang clothes and other things. This is the toilet. Yeah. And this is the bathtub here. This is the shower place. Yeah, we have hot water all the time. So yeah, it's pretty cool here and comfortable. Well, so thank you.